How to cancel a purchase on Vivid Seats. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can cancel a purchase on Vivid Seats. Okay, the first thing you must note is Vivid Seats typically does not allow cancellations once a ticket is purchased. But I will show you what you can try. Alright, so kindly watch to the end. First step is to log in into your Vivid Seats account just like I have done here. And once you're logged in and you can see your different events in the navigation bar, move to the top right side of the screen and place your cursor over your account icon. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will be displayed. In this menu, you will see options like account, orders, sales, profile, sign out. So click on orders. So by clicking on orders, you will automatically brought to a page where you would see all of your orders, um, which means you will see all of the events that you've paid for here. Alright, so all you need to do is to click on the event, and then by clicking on the event, you'll be redirected to a page where you would see the tickets for each event. Alright, so once you can see this, check if your order is eligible for cancellation. All right. Once you've made an order on this particular page, click on the page and then check if your order is eligible for cancellation. If it is not, then contact the customer support immediately and explain your situation. How do you contact the customer support? Scroll down to the bottom part of the screen. You will see options like connect, contact us, event news, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So click contact us and you'll be redirected to the contact customer service. So on this page, you can see different categories, existing orders, shopping for tickets, selling tickets. You can also decide to browse FAQs. So for existing orders, click existing orders. You'll be redirected to the existing orders page. So once you're on this page, you'll see your active orders. For me, I don't have any active orders. That is why this page is blank. Or for you, see all of your active orders here. So you can just select them and then look for the solution manually, or you can just speak to a live agent. I highly recommend this. So this is the hours of operation, so make sure your time falls into this and then click chat with an agent. By the left side of the screen, a mini page will be displayed. Then you would have to type in your info. All right, your name, your email address should be typed, then select the category. All right, which category? Is there a problem with your order? Do you need help with tickets? If so, just select the category. This particular category is problem with order, or you can just select orders. Then type in your order ID. Briefly describe your question. Then click start chat, and then a response would be given to you. All right, so this is just how you can go about it. Really, there is no other way. So ensure you try it out. Okay. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.